Hi, I'm Maya, and I'm going to attempt to make champorado, which is a Filipino rice porridge. I'm using the recipe from kawalingpinoy.com. Champorado is a breakfast treat, or you can use it as a yummy snack, and it's only 5 ingredients. You would use water, sugar, white sugar, this type of chocolate tableta, I think is how you pronounce it. We have glutinous rice, and this was kind of tricky because I don't know the difference between regular rice and glutinous rice. I had to ask the guy at Island Pacific. And then evaporated milk, which we'll be using at the end. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and it kind of looks like the rice expanded. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the 4 pieces of this type of chocolate. If you don't have this, you can use the Hershey's unsweetened powder. Oh look, they look like little chocolate. Okay, so I have to put 4 of these in and stir until they are dissolved. 3 and 4. They're melted, and as soon as they're done melting, then I will add half a cup of white sugar until that's dissolved. We're supposed to continuously stir for both of these ingredients. Maybe if I break these down a little bit. All right, that's half a cup of sugar. I have to keep stirring until it's dissolved. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. The recipe said all together it should take about 40 minutes. And it's supposed to keep going until about the consistency of porridge and the rice is translucent. So I think it's ready. We'll see what happens. Had a Manila restaurant. Okay, so Dustin, can you put a little bit of evaporated milk on there? The spoons are ready for you. I don't know, we'll see. It's supposed to be chocolatey and sugary. A nice little treat. Thank you. And that's with evaporated milk. You can add as much as you like.
Now I'm going to be giving this a try.